This Luxury Plating Bling Clear cover is exclusively designed for the iPhone 13 Pro Max 5 6, 7 inches, released in 2021. It supports wireless charging and is compatible with MagSafe chargers. Prior to purchasing, kindly confirm your phone model to ensure compatibility. The case boasts a luxurious plating process and features a shiny, super strong N52 magnetic ring that aligns seamlessly, facilitating quick and efficient charging. With an electroplated edge bumper and excellent workmanship, this case maintains a shiny and eye-catching appearance. Its exquisite design makes it an ideal gift for women, girls, men, boys, wives, and daughters, earning you numerous compliments. The cute glossy coating adds a touch of style and luxury, creating a fashionable and gorgeous look. The glitter card keeps the case shiny, while the soft transparent TPU back provides a secure grip, anti-slip functionality, and resistance to yellowing. The ultra-slim, lightweight design adds no bulk, and the soft, flexible square frame, along with full shock-absorbent corners, offers effective protection against scratches, drops, and slips. Specifically crafted for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, this protective case pays attention to every detail. Precise cutouts allow easy access to all ports, speakers, cameras, buttons, and functions. The case is not only visually appealing, but also sensitive, convenient, and durable. The raised bezels for millimeters for the camera and 1 mm for the screen provide comprehensive protection against scratches and friction. Equipped with a built-in strong magnet, this case is compatible with all MagSafe accessories and third-party Qi-certified wireless chargers. It also seamlessly works with phone accessories such as wallets, battery packs, phone grips, car mounts, and more. Our efficiently friendly customer service is always ready to assist. Feel free to contact us with any problems or suggestions, and we'll do our best to serve you.